This is the trading log for stage 2 of this algorithm on September 27th. What this algorithm is trading is particularly counter retail on breakouts. So on breakouts, retail tends to go in the direction of the breakout. And if price returns back to that level of the breakout, then there's lots of stop losses at that point. And we want to, in the case of going up to a resistance and there's a breakout, we want to go short as it's coming back down. So we're hitting lots of stop losses and there's less, there's a gap in the market at those prices. So today, we're just getting an update on 2 trades. One is on the normal broker Bybit, and the other is on DYDX, which is a decentralized exchange, and it's the first trade of mine on that exchange. So let me pull up the algorithm. And share my screen. Okay. So here is the false break we're trading on ETH USD. This is a 4-hour. Let me put this in the log actually. This is 4-hour. And so we're trading this false break of this line here. So you see this feel like this level is created here, a confirming candle. Move this back a little bit. Just a second. Candle goes back to here. Creating candle, confirming a false break, confirming, and then we broke up through it. And I believe we're going to break down, probably down to this area. So the entry we shot for was 1343. For whatever reason, that order didn't go through correctly. It was supposed to be a stop market order, sell, and the order didn't happen. It was my first trade on DYDX, so there's some execution thing I did wrong there. So we entered at 1340 on a market order, and we set our stop to 1367, which is oddly not on the screen. There it is. Okay. There's a stop here, take profit. It's 3-to-1 risk ratio. And I'm going short here. At the same time, we have a long false break trade, meaning that it was touching a support and then broke through the support, and now it's going to come back up. And sorry, I'm confused why I'm showing an unrealized profit and loss here. Oh my God, I went the wrong direction. That's embarrassing. Okay, so I'm going to close this and re-enter short. I'm loading a new interface here. Okay. I mean, that's lucky because I'm getting a better entry. I'm getting exactly where I wanted. Wow. What a fucking noob. All right, so I had that wrong earlier. I hit the wrong button to go long. This is my first time using this interface. I'm only trading a $200 portfolio, meaningless portfolio. The point is to validate the effectiveness of the trading strategy. So we entered going short here. Here's our stop loss. Our take profits are on a 3-to-1 risk ratio from there. So risk ratio, I don't really like that term because it's more like stop loss to take profit ratio. Profit ratio is a better one. But that's where we're at. So this trade just opened. There's a trade opened a few days ago, which is going long. So this is what I was talking about earlier. Oh, wow. Look how close that take profit is. That's brutal. Absolutely brutal. Damn. Okay, so here's a support, and we break through the support and come back up. Bounce off the support, break through the support, come back up, touch the support again, break through it, come back up, break through it, come back up. And I think on, let's see, when was this filled? 922. So back over here, we entered going long. I think basically we stopped on here and re-entered on this right about here, and set the same 3-to-1 risk ratio. So let's actually mark this in the chart. So entered here, and let's put in those values. God, that's brutal. So close. So the entry was 18,842. The take profit is at 20,433. And the stop loss is down here at 18,309. Oh, what a brutal. So the high of this one was 20379, and I was at 20433. That hurts. God damn it. Okay, well, it's in trading small money now, so it's not that big of a deal, but in real life, that would really hurt. This is the trade that we're going for on the long side. So both of them are still in action. Nothing has been hit, but let's go ahead and enter in. This is the things that I track for each trade. So our ATR is just, how do I add ATR here? True range. Look over on this tab. So the range so far today is only 3.74. Average true range is 84. So that's 0.74 divided by 84. We're flat in the daily and flat on 1 hour, in my opinion. Impulse, don't know yet. This is the trade. Oh, I didn't ever enter in that one either. So I actually have another one above this. So this ETH one first. Our range is entering here. So we have from 1343 down to 12,222. So that's our range. And the reason that we include this is so that we can make sure that our stop loss size, our take profit is not too close to the bottom of the range. Rather, you don't want to take profit like right down here because you're giving up too much risk. Ideally, your take profit's closer to the middle of the range. And if I'm being kind of gratuitous about where I'm putting my range, I could say it's in the middle. It's probably more like here. That's the bottom. So this is not great in terms of that, actually. I would say this is a false break through the level, and the level starts here. So I'd say the bottom is 1256. That's actually, I'm going to alter that. 1346. I like to include the actual math rather than, I could have just put 87 in here, but it's better to have these two values because later when I go back, I know, okay, this is my 1343 is my entry, and this was the bottom of the range. So I have more information hidden in there. And we're using a fixed stop here. Technical would be if I were to set my stop loss at the top of this, the top of the piercing. In this case, that would be way too big of a stop loss, and our take profit would be way down here somewhere. So we're using a fixed one, which is not as good. And our stop size is 24. 3 is a complex false break. Don't know the results yet. All right, now let's also get this other trade in. So we had this one, which is filled on 22nd at 1 a.m. So that 1 a.m. I don't know what the rate. I should be able to see what the true range was at that point. So it's on the 21st. And that is this day. And we're going along. This is negative 412 and 1139. So flat, flat, One day. On this one, I was trading the 1 day. And DYDX, I'm trading a 4 hour here. 1 day is, of course, preferable. Longer time frame is always preferable, and we only go as short as a 1 hour time frame. Okay. Slow impulse, going long. I don't remember what this is. A technical one. So technical stop. Yep. Oh, so close. That hurts. Technical. And that's an entry of 18842. Stop loss at 309. That seems really small. Am I reading that right? 842. Oh, 842. Sorry. Nice big stop. Love it. And the top of the range is 21845. Minus our entry here. Great. That's 3-1. This is a complex false break as well. And now we're waiting on results. So these trades are going opposite directions, of course, but they're on different instruments. So that's it for today.